Hi everybody, come and open these AirPods, not AirPods, with me. So these are my brand new, and these are my first ever AirPods. So I hope I will appreciate it. And sorry about my voice. Oh, much better. Now let's do this video. Huh. Let's open it. Ooh, there is the plastic. Oh, and by the way, I hope you guys subscribe and like and comment in this video because I really want to get to 60 subscribers. So I'm gonna open it. Sorry if you are hearing my Cantonese, but anyways, it's okay. Oh, this is hard to open with one hand. Guys, I'm gonna put down my phone first. Voila. Now it's so cool, designed by Apple in California. I forgot how to speak. California, I remember now. These are the AirPods. Let's open it. It's going to be so smooth. OMG, these so good. These are the new AirPods. Now, I think there is a charger. Yes. There is a charger, and the charger is the regular iPhone charger. So I think I'm going to put them on my mother's phone, and you guys will wait, okay? For part 2. So you guys will see part 2 of my AirPods.